today we are going to make a braiding blend for this gray color. I had a customer well, I don't even call it a customer, but I had someone who was looking for this hair color. Don't know if they're going to purchase it, so it's definitely available if you want to. But I'm just so excited because I love that the site that I have is able to give different women the opportunity to do boho styles, if you want to do twists, locks, braids, or what have you. So I'm thinking to mix a silver and a black to get the same tone in the hair. So let's just get started. I already separated it, so let's start blending. So y'all, it's been so much going on. I've been going back and forth about whether to continue to sell hair or not. I feel like the economy is just, I don't know, I guess because it's on my mind, I feel like it's on other people's mind. People are having to just cut back just to make their ends meet. So I know anything with hair, especially the price point that I have, is a luxury for people. So, I don't know. I see mixed messages. I see people still getting their hair done, of course, on social media. But you also have to take social media with a grain of salt, because it's like, how accurate are the things that people are portraying, right? So y'all let me know, how are you feeling about the economy, still getting your hair done and whatnot? Are you having to cut back on things that, before you wouldn't think twice about? I think because we're all just unsure where things are headed, I know personally, I'm like, we need to save as much as we can. So this is mixing very well. I was tempted to use a color that's almost like a white in order to mix this, but this might actually work just as is because already it's looking very similar. So when I do these bundles, it would be way more hair than this for each bundle. So I do the human hair, either one or two bundles, but this particular bundle has two sets of human hair, and then it would come with 5 bundles of braiding hair, and that's considered one whole set. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the site. I know I keep saying I'm going to put these bundles on the site, but I've just been going back and forth about how I want to position things, how I want to grow the site. So I've been slow to update it and add new products to it. Because there's a model where I can have the human hair on the site and then just kind of be like the middleman and have them ship it from the warehouse. But with that model, it takes more time, and then it costs me it costs me more to ship it to each person individually versus having an upfront shipping cost and sending all the hair to myself and then shipping from there. But that just takes a lot of capital in order to do. So I've just been waiting for answers to come to me and deciding what I'm going to do with everything. As you can see, for once, I do not have a protective style in. I actually cut my hair 2 nights ago because I had a spot in the back of my hair that was breaking off for years, and so I finally got it to grow. And the fact that it grew, it was so thick in the back that the hair on top of it that was longer looked misplaced because the back hasn't obviously caught up with the front. So I was like, let me just cut the front and everything can be one length and we will go from there. So I'm back in my bob at least for a few days. But sometimes when I mix to get a color match, I'll just do a small sampling of the color. That way, if it doesn't really turn out right, I haven't wasted a bunch of hair. But I think this is doing the trick. Okay, so here's the braiding hair. And here is the human hair. So that is a match made in heaven right there. So I'm going to go ahead and try to take some product photos and get this on the site. Finish making the 4 other bundles to be able to go to ship out. So if you're interested in this, I will leave a link to it in the description. And let me know if there's any more blends that you guys want to see.